Welcome to 3152 Maple Street in Hollister, Missouri, where you're going to feel like you've got a custom home. You're going to love this main level with vaulted ceilings and an open concept living, dining, and kitchen with a master suite on the main, as well as 2 other bedrooms and a nice sized laundry. The high ceilings are drop dead gorgeous. You've got vaulted ceilings throughout on the main, a 2-car garage, granite countertops, nice bathrooms, specially chosen lights just for this house, which aren't builder grade. You've got 2 big bedrooms downstairs with gigantic closets, as well as a nice space for a gaming area, perfect for all the kids. There's also a nice sized media room where you can enjoy the football games or HGTV if that's what you love. Both levels open up onto a nice sized deck overlooking your beautiful lawn. This big, beautiful home has nice sized closets, granite countertops, and vinyl plank throughout, minus the steps, which for safety are carpet. Enjoy the double-decker deck in your backyard. We hope you love it.